Okay, let's go ahead and apply a material to our sphere. And in our sphere material information over here in the inspector, right now we're just going to use some basic colors. So I'm going to pick a red and green, and then I'm going to take that material and apply it to my prefab. Let's see if it works. Right now my prefab still looks like my old material, but you can see that it indeed went ahead and created this really interesting green balloon. So that's just a basic material that we've applied. We'll work a little bit more with that, of course, and you can find all sorts of information about the material editor online. Now, before we're done with this project, we need to save our scene. Should have done that at the beginning, but if you remember, my computer does some weird things when I try to save, so we'll see that probably happen again. But right now our scene name is Untitled. It's always a good habit to save your scene when you first begin. We usually create a kind of a default scene, and then we can kind of build from that as we go. So I'm going to save this scene as, we're in our Hello World project, in our assets folder, and we're going to kind of get in the habit of naming our scenes beginning with an underscore. So I'm going to do _0 scene _0. And I think I'll put another underscore there. Just come up with our standard. This is going to be our scene 0, basically our default scene. I'm going to save that. And it's really important that we save our scenes before we close our Unity projects so that things can be saved properly and we can know where we have all of the different items in our project. So now my Hello World project is containing this scene, and I can close out of Unity and everything should be okay. So this was our first small project. We created some C# code to create some instances of some spheres. You could change that code and add some squares maybe, or any other kind of object that you wanted to try. See what you can do and experiment with things a little bit. Can't hurt anything, so give it a try.